skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So you guys see I'm back with this wig. If you guys didn't see the first video about this wig, that's where I showed you guys how I install it, and that was my first impressions of the wig. So today what I'm going to be showing you guys is how I blow dry and straighten it, because that other video was me wearing the wig straight out of the box. So I'm going to show you guys how easy to manage and straighten this wig is, and then, you know, me styling it, how low maintenance it is. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. Okay, so I'm starting with freshly washed hair, and like I said, I'm just going to be showing you guys how easy it is to blow dry and straighten this hair. This hair is like some of the best hair I've ever worn. Like, it's so easy to straighten, so easy to blow dry, and right after you straighten and blow dry, you could just wear it, because by the time you're done flat ironing it, it's basically already styled. So yeah, I'm just gonna blow dry it. Also, if you install the wig like with the glue and everything before you blow dry it, it'll help it stay better, because while you're blow drying it, that's helping the glue dry and hold. Okay, so here's how it looks once I'm done blow drying it. Now I'm about to straighten it. The temperature that I'm using is 390 degrees, in case you're wondering, and I'm about to just tie this up, so you know. Okay, so here's how it looks once I'm done. This actually is a middle part wig, but I just like side parts better. So yeah, this wig is super easy to straighten. I don't have any problems with tangling with this wig. Like, the whole time I've had it for a couple weeks now. No problems with tangling, no problems with shedding, none of that. This is honestly my top favorite wig right now. This right here. Okay. I hope this video gave you guys an idea of how, you know, easy to work with this wig is. You see, after I straightened it, I didn't even have to do anything. You know, I just put that behind my ear or whatever, or however you want to wear it, and then that's it. So yeah, like I said, I have a video on me installing the wig, like when I first got in, you know, putting the glue and all of that. So I'm gonna include that in this video, and definitely be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Also be sure to follow me on Instagram at Janai Kirsten. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll have the link to this wig and all the information about it in the description box below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.